Get excited about the 2011 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 120,000 kilometers. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Nissan prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, a trip computer, and air conditioning. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.